Hi, welcome to Shivam Tech Talkies. I would like to share about operators in Python. So I access Python interpreter. I used 3.3 version. Hi guys, welcome everyone. We are going to discuss about arithmetic operators in Python. In arithmetic operator, addition operator plus symbol, multiplication operator int symbol, asterisk symbol, subtraction operator that is minus symbol, division operator that is divide by symbol, modulo division operator percentage symbol, and added advantages of the arithmetic operators in Python. Double divide by operator also is there. So in that it refers, we will get the rounded value of the floating point numbers. That's why we have to use double division operator. In asterisk symbol also it has double asterisk symbol. The double asterisk symbol, it refers power. In this case, divide by operator, it is considered as a quotient. Modulo division operator also, it's a percentage symbol. The modulo division operator, that is considered as a remainder. So this is the important point to listen the arithmetic operators. In Python, no need to declare data type. It refers to the type and data. In Python, no need to declare the data type. It refers to the type and size of the data. And one more advantage of Python, if any variable is redeclare of the value of the variable, currently what value of the variable we used, that the current value of the variable, it will be considered. So this is the one type of advantage of Python. In Python refers to everything as an object, including numbers and strings, because the purely OOPS background of Python programming. So listen carefully this video. Now I am going to declare the value of the variable and do the operation of assignment operation. This is by using assignment operator. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 2. So what is the value of A and then what is the value of B? And next one, do the operation A plus B. Print by using the print statement A plus B. Next one, I want to know about the minus operator. So A minus B. Here negative value also it is possible. So I'll redeclare the value of the variable, any of the value of the variable for negative value. So already my A value is 5. Okay, so again I redeclare the variable A is equal to minus 8. So B is equal to 2. So the value of print A minus B, that is minus 10. Minus 8 minus of minus 2. Sorry, minus 8 minus of 2. So that's why the answer is A minus B minus 10 our answer. Next one, what is the value of A? Minus 8. What is the value of B? 2. So redeclare of A is equal to 5. So again A is equal to minus 8, A is equal to 5. Again I'll redeclare the value 5, A value. So A is equal to 5, B is equal to 2. In this case, print of multiplication operator, print of A into B. So the answer is 10. Next one, double asterisk symbol I used. Already I told you it refers the power. So here my value is A value is 5, B value is 2. So 5 power 2 which is equal to 25. That's why our answer is 25. Next thing, print of A divided by B. 5 divided by 2, 2.5. So I want to get rounded value. The double divided by symbol, it refers to rounded value. So we'll get the answer 2. And next one, print of A modulo division B. So in this case, divisible it's considered as quotient, and modular division is considered as remainder. That is the difference of these two operators. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel. Until then, signing off, Mrs. Vukadir. Keep on staying with us for enjoying our next videos. Be safe, be happy. Thank you. Thanks for all subscribers and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy your videos. Thank you. Thanks for all. Subscribe, like and share soon.